I got spurs, they jingle, jangle, jingle. Rocker right here, rocking it down, getting it down, and making them sound, man. I have finished all my customer pay this week, and now it is time to play. All right, guys, so this is what's going on. It is Thursday, January the, 13th? Yeah, Thursday the 13th. Blue skies in Houston, gonna be about 70, 72 degrees, somewhere in that range. And we're gonna rockin' and rollin' and rollin' and rockin' on Johnny. All right, so we haven't done anything about that. The next video, be ready. We're gonna figure out what paint color is gonna be used out of that. Oh, I got almost 2 gallons. There's another can right over there. Of paint that we're gonna figure out. We did find something. I'm not gonna lie to you, but hang on, next video is gonna be about that helmet and what we're gonna do with it. But what I'm gonna do with Johnny today is, I had a bunch of work come in, so I had to stop for a minute. The only things I've got done is I did get some of the interior pieces cut out and taken apart and figure out how it gets all sandwiched back together so I can figure out how to change that piece in the truck. I haven't got the cab corner welded in yet, but I did get the A-pillars taken care of, so the A-team is all ready to go, and I love it when a plan comes together. So I got both of those done. Today I'm gonna work on cutting out the top piece up here, and I'm probably gonna do the last of my grinding and all. So looks like I might have, truthfully, hope I got a 5-day weekend. Be damn honest with you. I don't need to work on anybody else's cars. I'll work on mine this month. So that's what I'm hoping, is I got more time off and I can keep rocking it down and getting them down and making them sound over here. All right, guys, well, that's what I got going on right now. I'm gonna get busy taking that top apart, so that I can get in there and try to figure out exactly where and when and how I'm gonna cut and splice this bad boy back together up in here. What my difficulty is, guys, all right, since I got you here, is I've got choices, and sometimes choices make things a little bit more difficult. What I don't wanna do is lob it off way up here, because I don't need to. Not only that, it's going to be a long, continuous weld across an area that's going to be floppy at that time. I got 2 choices. Well, I probably got more choices. It's just come in here and weld up all these little spots along here with that piece out, and then I can get my spoon behind there and I've got something solid to weld on a little bit better, okay? And then just bring that piece up this way and layer it right along this lip right here, never disturbing any of this. Or I cut it right along this lip right here, okay, and then put my weld right on that lip. You know, I'm kind of at that point, if I put my weld on that lip right there, I won't be able to get to the back side. If I cut that piece out, I can get to the back side. I can weld everything up from both sides and clean all the metal up. I'm probably almost talking myself into that. I'm gonna let that stew for a minute. I'm gonna cut the stuff out and take another look at it, and I'll give y'all a minute to tell me in the comments section, which way would you go if you were rocking it down, getting them down and making them sound? Just saying, I'm just asking. Some days I need to be the student and not the teacher. But that's what I got. That's my last big hurdle on the cab, is getting that area done. And look, I got confidence I'm gonna get it done. But sometimes you just sit here and, okay, which is the best way? See how I can get to the back side of that and clean all that up? And not worry about that, and then just cut this piece out right along here, get rid of this extra piece, and then just weld that piece back in like I would have like it went back in. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out one way or the other. I'm going to get it done. All right, guys, there's your 5-minute update on Johnny Little Dick rocking it down, getting him down and making him sound, and I will keep rocking it out. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to talk about that helmet. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. We'll keep grinding down. Talk to y'all next time.